Good evening. Today I hope to explain you how to create user account. First, you can open control panel. Then you can select user account. Then you can select add a new user in PC setting. Then you can select add account. Then I don't have this person's sign in information. Next, I don't have this person's sign in information. Next. Then add the user without a Microsoft account. Okay. Then you can give username. Issue okay. Then enter password and re-enter your password. Okay. In case you forget your password, this question is in case you forget your password. Okay. Security question 1. What was your first pet name? Okay. Your answer, I give Tommy. Don't think about these questions because this question is in case you forget your password. Okay. Security question number 2. I give what was your childhood nickname? What's the first name of your oldest cousin? Your answer, security question 3. What was your childhood nickname? Your answer, I give then next. Okay, my user account is ready and I explain you again. First, you can open control panel. Then you can select user account. Then you can select user account again. Then manage another account and add a new user in PC setting. Then add account. Then I don't have this person sign in information and next. Then add the user without a Microsoft account. Okay, you can give username and enter password and re-enter your password and next. Okay, I give enter password, re-enter password and check your password and security question number 1. I give what was your first pet's name? Okay, my answer, Tommy. Secret question number 2. And my dear friends, these questions are, if you forget your password, uh, if you want this question and answers, therefore don't think. Okay. Secret question number 2. What was your childhood name? I give. Security question number 3. What's the name of the city where your parents met? Your answer I give. Okay, next. Okay, my dear friends, this my user account. Okay, I think you can explain, you can understand my video, and thank you very much. Goodbye.